All right, all right. Peace, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're going to be covering the market per usual. Um, it's looking pretty bearish. It's looking pretty bearish. Uh, let's jump right into it. So, I was over here just looking at Ethereum. Let me turn my moving averages off. This chart looks really crowded too. Matter of fact, let me get another chart. Let me do the whose chart do I want? A clean chart. There we go. Oh, yeah, I can turn all of this other stuff off too. Yeah. Yeah, look at my lines. Look at the rejections. The rejections were clean too. Really, really clean. And these last two rejections is going to be the reason for more downside. I'm going to delete that, delete that.
You don't feel all them wicks, watch.
Man, it's about to fill these bodies down here.
Mm-hmm.
The next stop is right here. So 33.82. Anything closing below 33.82, I will be looking for 29.80. Where'd my line go? Where'd my line go? I didn't actually put that up there. Right about there. Yep, 29.80. Anything below 29.80, I will be looking for 26.09. Oh, you put my line all the way up there. That's crazy work. Right there. And then, I'm gonna swing it on the fib to, really give me an outlook. But as you can see on the weekly, you're not getting any candlesticks above 41.84. No candlesticks, zero candlesticks whatsoever. And that's been going on for the past almost 3 weeks now. Just been trying to get it, trying to get it, trying to get it, and it just doesn't go. So after a while, that's going to run out of steam and you're going to have a correction.
Especially if that monthly close today too.
Hmm. Yep, monthly does close today, so we're gonna take a look at that too. Take a look at the monthly. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's take a look. See that. Yeah. Hmm. That's interesting. Even though it's
Monthly, like
pulling
it just,
back,
it's like it just pulled back.
it is pulling back, bro. I don't think it's gonna keep dropping. Hold on.
Yeah, because the monthly ain't gave up too much.
No, it hasn't. That's interesting. Hold on. Let me delete these lines. Right? Matter of
And you
fact,
got a lot of support right there.
yeah, you do. You got a hell of a lot of support right there. Hold on. Man, good catch on the monthly, bro.
Double top though.
Maybe. I need this to close as a bearish engulfing.
Then
If
we'll
it,
know something.
yeah, if it closes as a bearish engulfing, then this would be a confirmed evening start. I would really love for it to close below. Excuse me. Let me see. Thank you, baby. Uh,
They need to engulf half of that big candle.
yeah, I would really love to see it close below the 618 at 33.44. If we can close below 33.44 on a monthly, then that would be a confirmed evening star pattern. But if we don't get that closure below 33.44, then I would say that this is just a pullback. And this will be considered your range. Let me show you. turn
Mm.
all of this off. Let me turn all this off. Let me show you something. Take all of this off. That support right there,
Yep.
and this resistance right here.
Yep.
I'm not even gonna play with it. There's your
Oh,
range. And then if you break it down weekly, it's in that range. Daily, it's in that range.
yep. So long we good on the monthly today let us know.
There's your range right there. Down. Hmm. So it's consolidating. Hasn't given the direction yet. Hmm. Interesting. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. See if Bitcoin is moving like that. Bitcoin still is above $100,000. Hmm. Put this on a monthly. Let me delete this too. Oh yeah. What? It's the same thing. Support, resistance. Break it down. It's in a range.
Yep.
It's
What's the bottom of that
consolidating.
range? 101?
One on one. I would say 100. I would say
Yep.
100. You know what I'm saying? 100 buy, 126 sell. That's one hell of a range. Man, it's been playing that too though. It's done it only once so far. So let me pull this down to about right here. Okay, so look, it's done it once, maybe twice now. So you had the entry at 100 right here, and another entry at 100 right here. It almost ran up to 126. It did run up to 126 right here, and then it almost came back to 100 right here, and then now it's currently getting rejected. So that means it is inside of a scan box.
Yeah, I
Hmm.
got what rejected at that 116.
Let me see something. Hold on. Where's my can? It's my can box. Hold on. Can box, where are you? Oh, there you
What's
are.
up, Chad? See Uncle Chad in this month.
Oh,
What's
okay.
going on with you?
Peace, bro.
Bro,
What's the word?
word. Ain't nothing.
Shoot.
Seeing if there's some money in this market today or not.
Mm-hmm. Would have been a nice little catch yesterday.
Man.
Let's see. Look at that. Getting rejected by the 618. But it's still in a range. Can't deny that at all. So the range is 100 to 126. So just buy at 100 and then sell either in between there, these two levels right here, or sell at the top of the range. Now, if we break this range, then you're gonna have a new range. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just duplicate the box and then I'm gonna put it under there. Bam. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's cold. Let's see if it adds up right there. Come on, come on.
That
Thank
mother
you.
been pumping slowly since yesterday, too. God damn.
That's what I'm saying. Uh, nice little catch would have been from yesterday. Bitcoin dropped almost 4,000. Uh, ETH dropped almost 5%. Actually, matter of fact, it did drop 5%. Few things dropped. I'm gonna go over some shit. Let's take a look at the weekly.
Man,
Yeah,
god
yeah,
damn. Bounced
yeah.
off that 786.
Mhm. One spot is right here. Look at where your support is right here, which was back here, previous support, what used to be almost resistance. Yeah, that makes sense. So as
Need that's
long
the
as we're
786. No, you ain't got yours.
I ain't got it on. Hold on. So as long as we're closing below this 618, you're gonna come down. Now, if you start closing back above the halfway mark, which was around $113,000, and you're gonna come back up. But right now, you're getting rejected by those two key levels, by the halfway mark and the 618.
Yeah, I'm getting rejected. Yep. Yep, I
Mhm.
see it.
And then you could put that on Ethereum too. Hold on. Where's that
Ugh.
other Ethereum chart that I had? Let me see. I think it was Coinbase.
Man, I feel good. I've been using my fields right now.
Good shit.
Yeah, you know what today is?
What's
Halloween.
today? Bitcoin Day.
Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin's birthday.
Yeah, Bitcoin Day.
Oh, today big. Oh, we finna go up.
Oh,
hmm I don't
Happy
know. I don't
birthday,
know.
Bitcoin. I'm talking
I
shit.
don't know.
We're gonna
mind
give
you,
you a
this
little
this is
Bitcoin cake.
this is the 17th Bitcoin day. So
uh,
hmm Let's
Bitcoin's
see.
that's
17 years old and people still don't believe in it.
That's wild.
that's crazy. It was invented on Halloween, huh?
That's just when the white paper was
Oh,
released.
the white paper. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come on, right
Oh,
here.
get my big story.
Bam. Yep, getting rejected. I like that. I like that. Getting rejected. Not even really testing. Still kind of choppy though. I
And this
still
thing
don't
ran up
wanna.
overnight.
I still don't want to rock with that one. Okay.
I'm
All
finna
right.
just start trading at night.
Yep. Arbitrum still seeing that downside. Getting rejected at 29.50, even though it's currently trading at 29.70. I'm looking
What
for
is
more downside.
what is that on your watch list that's up 28%?
This right here is Kanto, but it does that. This chart choppy as shit.
I just noticed. Yeah, no mind.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, super
And I've
choppy.
been, I've been watching Litecoin chart. Shit, let me go back to it.
All right. More downside that I'm looking for is between the 382 and the 618, which is going to be at 25.37, 22.04, and 18.70. That, if someone would want to catch that one, is going to yield almost 40%. Yeah, almost 40%. So I definitely be taking a look on short on Arbitrum. Let's take a look at BNB. Mm, BNB getting rejected by that little window I created. Nice. Under the 382, which means you are now inside the golden ratio. Next stop to the downside would be 1043, even though you wicked through that yesterday. You're getting the weakness from today. It's not bullish. It is not bullish at all. It's getting rejected. And you're getting rejected by the 382. So next stop is going to be 1043. It's currently trading at 1080 right now on BNB. As long as you're holding 1071 though, If you lose 1071, even on an hourly time frame, I would look to take that short down to at least 1043. And then look for a pop back up, possibly to somewhere around 1071, and then get rejected again. Start creating a daily closure below 1043, and you're gonna be looking at 970 BNB. Let's take a look at Pendle. Let's take a look at it on the monthly. That's what I need to do too. Everything's getting ready to close out for the month. And that is very strong resistance right up there. Right up there. Very strong resistance. 644 is resistance. This thing's trading at 309 right now. This looks like the consolidation area. Like everything is consolidating right now. Interesting. Waiting to make a move, either to the upside or the downside. Major, major, major consolidation. Super consolidation. This thing has been range trading since last year, January 22nd, 2024. This thing has been ranging. Wow. That's a lot of consolidation. All right, let's take a look at Polygon. Not looking good for Polygon.
That might be ugly.
Let's see. And it's not looking good for Polygon. Not at all. Let me see. 28 cents is the resistance. And then 15 cents is the support.
Was you up late?
Man,
Being grown?
I'm talking about burning the midnight oil for real. Uh, there we go. See how long you've been consolidating.
Yeah, I'm about to not trade New York session at all no more.
Man, that's what it's starting to look like.
Mhm.
Get your ass up at 12 o'clock. Start
Mhm.
trading.
Mhm.
Set up.
Everybody wanted this mass adoption. They didn't realize what comes with it.
Manipulation.
Too much fuck
Hmm
shit.
Hmm. A
No,
lot of
this is
manipulation.
what people wanted. They wanted
Uh-huh.
mass adoption. Yay, mass adoption. Okay, mass adoption.
Oh yeah,
The
so
mob come and take over your shit.
15
That's what it
cents.
happened.
15 cents, 28 cents. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at Sui. Dang.
Ugh.
Woo!
Sweet, sweet, sweet,
Whoa.
sweet, sweet. It's the
So,
scare tactic to push all the retailers out.
Mm-hmm. Cause all the charts looking like shit.
Because when they start talking about who owns the most Bitcoin and it's a company, all the other
Mm-hmm.
institutions want to own Bitcoin too. So how do you
Mm-hmm.
do that? You cause the price to drop.
Flush it.
yeah.
If you cause the price to drop, all the non-retail, all the retail traders will get scared and they'll sell
Mm-hmm.
off.
They don't even know. A lot of retailers been learning these last couple of years. Fuck them. We in this position this time.
Yeah, for real. For real, for real. That's been the temperature for real. I ain't gonna
Mm-hmm. I ain't come this far just to turn around.
lie.
Shit.
Big facts. There's a false one right there. It's consolidating. It's consolidating majorly.
Mm.
It's the whole damn market looks like this.
Market open
Cause
too.
Hmm. Chop, chop, chop. See. Okay. Very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Let me get another chart for arrow.
chart, chart, shut them down. Look at that chart. Oh no.
Okay. And they bought this shit up on the monthly. They bought that up on the monthly. So here's your low, 43 cents. That bear trap candle right there turned into support. Used to be the resistance right here. And this turned into the support. What used to be the resistance right there. Huh. Oh shit.
Bank. Fucking bank.
See if we could turn that into some major support. See and turn that into major support. It's gonna be more upside. And if I was to real quick, it's my magnet. Thank you. You're above the 236 using 74 cents as support. Currently trading at $1.09. As long as you're holding 74 cents, you can see more upside. You can see a dollar and 26, $1.49, $1.82, 225, 278, 306, and 346. Currently trading at $1.09 right now. I like the way that looks. That looks good. That looks really good. Let me see what the EMA's got to say. You're not above the 20-day yet. Where are you at on the daily? You're above all major moving averages on the daily. You're above all major moving averages on the daily. This is on Arrow. Let me turn off the EMA. I want to see what my MACD is looking like. Oh yeah, on the daily you're strong. On the weekly, you're going from negative to positive, and on the monthly you don't have anything on the MACD. Hmm. Yeah, I've definitely be keeping an eye on Arrow. I'm definitely keeping an eye on Arrow. See who else is over here. Let's go take a look at virtual. This thing got bought up too on the monthly. All right, that's what I want to see right there. So virtuals was in a downtrend for quite some time after reaching an all-time high of $5.25. After reaching an all-time high of $5.25, it was in a downtrend since the beginning of 2025. We just recently broke out of that downtrend, and we're currently back testing the downtrend on the weekly right here. If we can hold above the downtrend, I would say $1.21 to even $1.09. If we can hold those two levels, then I will be looking for more upside out of virtuals. And I was just reading an article that said that virtuals could be $34 by the year 2030.
That's why I'm just holding what I got.
This thing is $1.37 right now. So if you're not DCA on virtuals and you're not fully aware what virtuals is, I would highly suggest going to do your research. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Man, I'm telling you, something wrong with Avalanche. They say real world assets and they say, you know what I'm saying, all
They gotta
these great.
suppress that. You know they gotta suppress that shit.
I see it. I don't even think it's suppression because look at the monthly.
Yep, time to bounce up.
I don't
They
think
got
it
all
is. I
they
think
got
it's
all
still
their
in the
friends
confirmed.
in.
I think it's still in a confirmed downtrend. Now, I am in agreement with this right here. This level right here, you have not been able to get any candlestick closures below this level. But if you start creating candlesticks below this level right here at around 1587, and you're coming down some more. But right now, as it stands, even on the monthly, it's in a downtrend. So it's interesting that you can see this on the chart, but everybody still loves Avalanche, and I'm not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. All right, let's take a look at Solana. On the monthly, they're still holding $175, currently trading at $186. In a range as well of $126 to $253. Depending upon which direction this decides to close, will be the direction that it goes. But it's in between those two areas. XRP, XRP looking like the same shit. It's in a range, a huge one.
A huge one. And that's a big ass green candle right there, boy.
Man, to the this thing over here.
Mm-hmm. And that motherfucker just been sitting on top of it.
They bought the shit out of this. So this would be just them loading the boat.
Yep, and if that break, it's breaking down.
hmm Now, if it does close below this level right here, $1.92, then yeah, it's coming down. But as it stands right now, your only resistance is $3.03. You start getting closures above $3.03, you're gonna see that thing probably take off
Go
again.
back up. Yep.
And if it creates another one of these green candles, let me measure this candle. Hold on.
That mother went from 40 something cents to what?
Nah, it's 297%. Holy shit. Okay, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Do 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 do. And I'm gonna put this right above here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna say 307. Okay. So from 307, it was 297%. That's $12.17. If you create another 296, 297% candle, that's $12. That's gonna be a problem. Oh man. Yeah. It's consolidating right now, man. Just hey, if you can buy the bottom, If you can buy the bottom of the range, I would definitely be looking to accumulate at the bottom of this range. Um, but right now, it's nowhere near the bottom of the range. Right now, it's pretty much in the middle of that range. What else did I want to take a look at? I wanted to take a look at Ave. See what you got going on, Ave. Same shit in a huge range. Mm. Bottom of the range is $82. The top of the range is $386. Hmm. Interesting. It look like you're trying to make your way back down. Because this is acting as the resistance level right here. $251 trading at 217. If you can't get back above 251, then you're going to continue to come down. Mark that line off right there. And then that's when we had that pullback. See who else is over here. Let's take a look at chain link. What you believe? Chainlink doing the same shit, ranging. Now, Chainlink is known for ranging. It consolidated the last time for damn near 2 years. This area down here, all of this down here, and then it moved up. So, seeing this right here, this consolidation area right here between $13.24 and $25.16 would just be an accumulation again. Everything is in a huge range right now. Shit is crazy. I'm liking it. I wonder who else is looking like this. Let's take a look at Cake. Same shit. Ranging. Ranging. The top is $3.11 and the bottom is $1.55. So buy the bottom, sell the top. Buy the bottom, sell the top. Man, really nice. Really, really nice. Who else? Who else? Who else is over here? Who else? Do, 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 do. Eighth bar breaking down. Yes, it is. Yeah, with the synthetics back down. It was looking good for y'all, man. What happened? Another fake out. Just some quick news came out. See what happened. Rebounds 250% on October 14th. Today is October 31st. Nobody else said anything after that. Damn, it's not looking good. Let me take a look at H bar. And you were consolidating on H bar. Now you're currently getting rejected by that consolidation area. Here was your consolidation right here. And then it lost it, came back, retested it. Now it's getting ready to break back down again. So that is all I got to take a look at on the market this morning. Did y'all have any coin requests before I get up out of here?
Oh, sir.
No doubt.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, for sure. All right, y'all. I'll wrap with y'all in a minute. Until next time, peace, y'all.
All
All
right,
right,
bro. All right,
peace.
Chad.
Peace.